खुलुमका प्रथमनो आं बुबाग्रानानि खुलुममानि ते हामजाकमानि याफाराव दिनै चाइतोकमुंबाइ o jaga YTF ni sar Bunal sar gang sar phaiei ano blood nangmani jesek nangmani riphaika ang tini blood ni bagoi Dormanogor onekta club o tungturi jak khaiba thangka kintu thangmani pore phano kebin thina ang blood maya onek jon bai ang contact khaika maya aboni pore ang tini bubagra na call khaika bubagra thaka 10 minute somoi nakha 10 minute bisingo sar songrok ana call khaiei blood ni jugar khairika abagoi belai khai sar songno bono tei bubagra no specialist babe ang hamaima janago bin khanta marin bagai sisingtini obo hayengo belai bene khana hambai bubagra no ka ani parang kai monu romja ko paran bu kai lomba bil jeto sung badar sama kai monu.
Today we came to help our brother Sanjeev as we learned that he is in trouble. We have seen a message from our Bubagura, and we have taken an immediate initiative from Darchoy YTF and this Jalaibasa YTF. So he is from Sanjeev Debrma is from Manu, and we are from different part of Tripura. Even though we are from different part of Tripura, but we have unity or Thansa. Due to Thansa, we came and help him here. Whatever it is necessary to take initiative, we are ready to take initiative as YTF. I am being as a central vice president of YTF, and with my colleagues Lineker, he is also the vice president of YTF. So we promise him to take initiative, and this is our regard to even to our Bubagura. We feel him not to worry, so we will take care of everything for our brother Sanjeev. Thank you.